Hello friends! Surprise! Did you expect to see me so soon? I decided that I wanted to do a surprise bonus video for you all today, so you can consider this day 25 extra or bonus of my holiday countdown. Today we're going to be doing a super simple and really easy snowflake peekaboo mug using a new glitter from the November Peachy palette. And I had a lot of fun making it. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. As always, let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you do enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up down below. And of course, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my new videos. Okay, that's it. Let's go! We're going to start by applying our glitter to our mug. Now, I'm not going to base coat the tumbler because it really won't matter. The glitter we're using is dark enough and has some silver in it. The silver stainless base is totally fine. So to apply my glitter, I'm actually going to use some UV resin. So I'm going to spread a thin layer of that all over my tumbler, just like you would with regular epoxy. And then I'm going to take my glitter. I'm using Leather Pants from the November Peachy palette. Now, Leather Pants is from the episode of Friends where Ross wears the leather pants and then he gets stuck in the bathroom, and it's a really funny episode. I love it. And this glitter is beautiful. So I'm going to cover my entire mug with just this one glitter, and this is going to be the base for our peekaboo design. Once the glitter is applied, I'm going to tap off the excess, and then with my gloved hand, I'm going to go in and tap down the glitter to get it to lie as flat as possible. And then I'm going to let it spin in front of my UV lamp for probably about like 10 to 15 minutes. And I will link the lamp that I use down below in the description box. It's from Amazon, and it is amazing. So once that's all tapped down, I'll let my cup spin, and then we will apply 2 regular coats of epoxy to our tumbler. So I'm going to use my Flynn Sisters Fast Cure epoxy, and each coat is about maybe 15 to 20 milliliters. After those 2 coats are cured, I'm going to go through and sand down the top rim of my tumbler, and then sand down any other areas that aren't quite smooth at this point. We want everything to be as smooth as possible because we're going to do a peekaboo, and we're not going to glitter over our peekaboo. It's just going to be the regular spray paint, so we want to make sure that our cup is as smooth as can be so you don't see any bumps or anything underneath the spray paint. For our peekaboo, we're going to do some snowflakes and some leopard print. So I cut out just a few snowflakes. I think I made these maybe 3 inches tall. I just kind of eyeballed and estimated like how big they would be. I'm not going to do a ton of snowflakes. I just want to do a few big ones, and then we'll do leopard print all around the snowflake. So I'm going to do 3 snowflakes here, and then we will just fill in most of the remaining space with our stencil leopard print, and then I'm going to leave a little bit of extra like blank space around because once we do the peekaboo, we're going to add some more leopard spots in our textured metallic vinyl just to add a little bit of depth and dimension. So I'm not going to fill in every last nook and cranny of my tumbler with my stencil leopard print just because I want to add those vinyl ones later. But I do want to add a lot of stencils here because I want to show as much of this glitter as I can. So finding that delicate balance between like how much glitter you want to show under your peekaboo and then how much you're going to add on top. So you can do as much or as little as you want. The handle on my mug is not going to be part of my peekaboo, it's just going to be the plain glitter. So I'm going to take some electrical tape and I'm going to wrap it around the base of my handle, both at the top and the bottom. And I'm really taking my time here to make sure that I get these in a perfect circle and that the wrap is really clean, because that edge of your tape is going to show. So you want to take your time and make sure that you do that as cleanly as possible. And again, like I said, I'm going to do that on the bottom, and then I'm going to wrap the rest of the handle with my painter's tape so I don't get any paint on the handle. And then I'm going to go outside and I'm going to spray paint this with my little Dreamy Lavender Rust-Oleum paint and some white paint, just in random little splotches, just kind of all over the place, little specks of white, little specks of purple. No pattern, just wanted both colors on there. I'm going to let that dry for about 30 minutes and then I'm going to go through and do my peely time. And look how pretty that glitter looks under the paint. Oh, especially contrasted with the lighter paint colors. It's so beautiful. I'm using a pin pen to pick up my stencils, but you can use whatever tool that works best for you. You just want to be really careful when you're peeling these up because you don't want to scratch your paint because there really won't be any way to cover that up. So just take your time, be really careful while you peel your stencils, and enjoy revealing the beautiful glitter underneath. So after all of our stencils have been peeled and we've taken all the tape off the handle, this is what our cup looks like. So you can see we've got just a few little blank spots where we can add our silver metallic leopard spots. So I just cut a few out of my silver textured metallic vinyl, and I'm going to place these one by one just in those little open spots. Now, this is totally optional. You don't have to add these in between if you don't want to. You can always add different elements if you want to. You could do like stars or hearts, or you could put glitter in these areas. Just, you can do really whatever you want. But I wanted to just add some extra little leopard spots all around to fill in that blank space. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to go right into my final coats of epoxy. So this is a really quick and easy wintry design. Of course, you don't have to do snowflakes. You can just do plain leopard if you want to make it all year round and not just winter, but I thought the snowflakes were a really pretty touch. Anyway, that's it for this tutorial. Here is the final mug design. I really hope you all enjoyed this little bonus video from the countdown. Thanks so much for watching as always. Of course, let me know what you think down below in the comments, and I will see you guys very soon with some more tumbler tutorials. Okay, love you. Bye.